Today we're talking about the great outdoors and discussing a report on the effects of COVID-19 on camping.
That's right. And this morning joining us, we've got Toby O'Rourke, the president and CEO of KOA Campgrounds of America. Toby, tell us a little bit of if there's been an impact of COVID-19 in the realm that you work in.
Absolutely. Just like any travel business, we were affected by COVID-19. We started seeing a lot of cancellations in mid-March, mainly for March, April, and May business, and that's shifting into June a little bit. But now as states are opening back up, we're definitely seeing bookings outpace cancellations, and we're on track for a pretty strong summer.
Well, that's good. We know a lot of people want to get out of the house and head into the great outdoors. Do you expect to see any differences, as we learn more about the pandemic, any differences in how camping could be in the future?
Sure. During our research, we asked people, how do you expect to camp this summer in particular, coming right off the stay-at-home orders? And people are telling us they're planning to camp in smaller groups than before, probably that nuclear family unit. Closer to home, most people aren't going to travel more than 100 miles from home, and they're looking for destinations that are less crowded. They're also showing a lot of interest in RVs. Even people who have never camped before are now interested in camping, and that's largely being driven by RVs. These are self-contained units. You can bring all of your own belongings. You have your own bathroom. You can cook your own food. So it's a really nice way to recreate and be outside, but stay diligent about coronavirus.
Yeah, we hear a lot of times the medical experts obviously telling us to be socially distant and things like that. Are you finding that camping is still allowing for people to enjoy and still be safe?
Yeah, absolutely. We actually asked people in our survey to rank various forms of travel, and non-campers and campers alike ranked camping at the top, and I believe that's because of social distancing. You're outdoors already, which anytime we can choose the outdoors over the indoors is recommended, but there's ample space between campsites. You're going to see, I already talked about RVs, people coming in RVs, but you're also going to see group gathering spaces closed on campgrounds right now, recreational spaces limited, especially based off different state or local regulations. But we're taking every precaution we can to make sure social distancing is kept in place.
What is the state of campgrounds right now? Are they considered an essential business, or what's going on right now?
Yes, even from the early start of stay-at-home orders, we worked hard to make sure campgrounds could stay open because a lot of people live in RVs, and we wanted to make sure no one was displaced. There's people that travel for essential reasons. A lot of our campgrounds also host traveling medical workers and nurses right now. So they have been essential from the start, but we're really excited. In Illinois, for example, recreational camping is opening back up this Friday. So not only are we still hosting those full-time RVers and medical staff, but now those who want to get out and recreate and take a camping trip can do so starting this Friday in Illinois.
And on that same point, Toby, where can people right here in Illinois find out more details about those sites locally?
Well, I would encourage everyone to go to KOA.com. We actually have 12 KOAs in Illinois, but there's also camping in neighboring states that's open and available. But KOA.com will tell you all about the locations in your area and the restrictions you might see on different, recreation items or gathering spaces. But it allows you to connect to that host and ask more questions.
All right, Toby, we appreciate your time, and I know people are itching to get back out to their campsites and enjoy the great outdoors. Thanks for joining us today.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You too.
And of course, we'll be sharing this interview and the information all over on our website, ciproud.com.